How to hide or unhide your tagged photos and videos on your Instagram account. So as you can see in my profile, I have a bunch of these photos where I have gotten tagged. So if you want to go ahead and actually remove this entire section, then you want to go over to your Instagram profile, which is the first step. And then you want to click on the three stripes on the top right hand side. From here, you want to click on settings and privacy. And so this is the latest version of Instagram. So you want to make sure that your Instagram is completely updated to the latest version in order for this to work. Now, once you have found yourself in settings and privacy, you want to go to the search bar and then you want to type in tag. So now you can see manually approved tags. You want to go ahead and you can go ahead and click on the toggle where it says manually approved tags. This means that every time someone tags you, you have to make sure that you approve it, and then it will be shown on your tagged feed. So these are all your videos where if you go ahead, so these are all the videos and photos that you have been tagged. So if you click on them and then click on the three dots on the top right hand side, click on tag options and simply click on remove me from post, and that will remove you from the tagged. And if you want to hide all these in general, then just click on tags and mentions, and then under who can tag you, you want to click on don't allow tags and click on disable. Now when people tag you, it would actually not show up over in your tagged photos.